Antarctica lies far removed from most inhabited regions, making it a remote and elusive destination regardless of where you call home. Its inaccessibility, coupled with the high cost associated with reaching it, contribute to its aura of being otherworldly, sci-fi-like, and incredibly intriguing ice-bound realm. However, amidst the bone-chilling cold and ceaseless winds that define this frozen wilderness, Antarctica conceals some remarkable treasures. Imagine stumbling upon the remains of ancient trees that once flourished here more than 56 million years ago, or the imprints of dinosaurs that once roamed this vastly different Antarctic landscape. Whispers even allude to the possibility of a concealed crystal city, a notion that stretches the boundaries of imagination. So join us as we embark on a journey to uncover the mysterious discoveries concealed beneath the icy surface of Antarctica. In 1946, Admiral Richard Byrd spearheaded Operation High Jump, a significant mission to Antarctica with military objectives in mind. However, a remarkable and unexpected twist occurred during this expedition, as revealed in a secret diary. Amid rumors of a passage to the Earth's core through the South Pole, Byrd decided to investigate. To his astonishment, as he flew over the icy Antarctic landscape, it transformed into a warm, green environment. He even claimed to have witnessed a crystal city emitting a dazzling array of colors. During his flights, his plane seemed to be controlled by a mysterious force, as he spotted disc-shaped flying objects that guided him to the ground. There, he purportedly met a being known as the Master, who expressed disappointment in humanity's use of nuclear weapons and the resulting destruction. These subterranean beings were concerned about the future of our planet. This story holds significance for UFO enthusiasts, as it connects with other sightings and incidents involving UFOs and nuclear weapons. If Admiral Byrd's diary is genuine, it implies the existence of advanced beings residing within the Earth who monitor surface events. Despite his desire to share this incredible encounter, Byrd was ordered to keep it a secret, and his accounts were classified and confidential. This narrative prompted contemplation about the link between ancient tales of inner-Earth beings and the modern UFO phenomenon, leaving some to speculate that we may someday encounter these enigmatic inhabitants of the Earth's depths. Conspiracy theories often emerge when an anomaly defies basic logic and common sense, as is the case with the Antarctic Pyramid, which has garnered substantial attention online. This enigmatic structure has sparked various speculations regarding its origins. Some propose that a lost civilization crafted it, while others suggest extraterrestrial involvement. However, scientists assert that the most plausible explanation lies in natural mountain formation. This explanation might seem mundane, attributing the pyramid-like features to extensive erosion over millions of years. It's noteworthy that pyramid-shaped peaks, though rare, can occur in nature, albeit typically with just one or two faces resembling pyramids. One scientist provided a detailed clarification to demonstrate the natural occurrence of pyramid shapes, albeit infrequently. Despite scientific explanations dispelling the mystery, it's crucial to acknowledge that personal beliefs and inclinations aren't bound by scientific findings. Ultimately, the choice to embrace alternative explanations, like attributing the pyramid to extraterrestrial involvement, remains a personal prerogative, as science cannot restrict individual perspectives. Vigilance and critical thinking is key. Understanding life's challenges in colder regions doesn't require specialized knowledge of temperature dynamics. Upon reflection, one can grasp the extreme difficulties that come with existence in such places. Contrary to popular perceptions, these regions aren't just snowy wastelands, they also hide lakes beneath their icy surfaces. A prime example is Lake Vostok, found beneath Russia's Vostok Station at the southern pole of Antarctica. Lake Vostok is the largest of nearly 400 known subglacial lakes in Antarctica. Similar lakes are hidden under the central East Antarctic ice sheet, residing about 11,444 feet above sea level. Remarkably, Lake Vostok plunges to a depth of 1,600 feet below sea level and a staggering 13,100 feet below the surrounding ice sheet. This makes it one of the world's lowest altitude lakes, inherently one of the coldest. Life in the Antarctic may seem devoid of supernatural phenomenon due to the lack of human presence and limited opportunities for spectral activities. However, scientists have recently stumbled upon intriguing phenomena in Antarctica. They've discovered peculiar auditory signals that initially seemed fantastical. These uncanny sounds, contrary to expectations, aren't indicative of extraterrestrial life. A recent study revealed that these eerie noises result from vibrating ice caused by wind passing over snow dunes. While this scientific explanation might dissipate excitement, some liken the experience to a constant flute melody resonating across the vast ice shelf. Another scientist compared the sounds to the collective choruses of thousands of cicadas. Although they're typically too low in frequency for human perception, they become audible when accelerated by monitoring equipment. So, while Antarctica doesn't seem to harbor ghostly entities, this exploration has given us an exquisite analogy of a perpetual flute serenade on the icy precipice. Addressing the grave and ongoing threat of climate change is paramount, but there's another concerning issue that often escapes our attention: an active volcano in Antarctica. The lack of awareness regarding this matter is deeply troubling. Mount Erebus, Antarctica's second highest active volcano after Mount Sidley, holds significant significance. It ranks as the sixth highest ultramountain on the continent and is the southernmost active volcano on Earth. Mount Erebus has maintained its volcanic activity for over 1 million years, featuring a persistent lava lake within its inner summit crater since the 1970s. With a towering summit elevation of 12,448 feet, it stands alongside other volcanoes, though they are inactive. While it may not be the central focus of global concerns, it's a noteworthy phenomenon demanding our awareness. Even a single adverse event could trigger a catastrophic climate scenario in Antarctica, compounding the region's existing environmental challenges. Recognizing and monitoring this risk is crucial, as the combination of environmental and volcanic challenges is something we cannot afford to overlook. Antarctica's reputation as one of Earth's harshest and least forgiving climates is well-founded, but it doesn't mean there's a lack of animal life in the region. In 2022, a team of researchers made a remarkable discovery in Antarctica's southern ocean: a breeding colony of nautothenioid icefish. This colony set a new record in terms of size, surpassing any previously documented icefish colonies. It spanned a vast area, estimated to contain over 60 million active nests with a total biomass of around 135 million pounds. The researchers located these icefish nests during a survey of the Flickner ice shelf, using a large device towed behind the RV polar stern at speeds ranging of 0.6 to 2.4 miles per hour. This device captured videos and acoustic bathymetry data, providing comprehensive insights. These findings underscore the existence of life even in the most challenging and inhospitable environments on our planet. However, conducting such research demands sophisticated and costly equipment to obtain crucial acoustic bathymetry data, equipment that isn't readily available from typical retail stores. Cartoons often depict icebergs with a uniform, distinct shape, which surprisingly aligns with reality in some cases. NASA scientist Jeremy Hardback, who has conducted aerial surveys in Antarctica, once encountered a natural iceberg that resembled a man-made structure. This iceberg had square sides and a flat top, forming a perfect rectangle. Such rectangular icebergs, although uncommon, occur due to the way ice crystals fracture along straight lines. However, it's essential to note that irregular-shaped icebergs are more prevalent in the northern hemisphere, primarily because of friction between the ice and the underlying bedrock. Fortunately, cartoons do not mislead us in this regard. While most icebergs take on irregular forms, nature occasionally presents intriguing and peculiar exceptions. It's reassuring to know that our beloved cartoons remain faithful to these natural wonders. Antarctica, long considered one of the planet's most frigid regions, is revealing surprising insights. Recent research suggests that its extreme cold may not be the dominant factor it was once thought to be. A groundbreaking study has unveiled a substantial geothermal heat source beneath East Antarctica, a factor previously underestimated in assessing the impacts of climate change. Regrettably, this discovery presents considerable challenges. Aircraft radar readings over Antarctica have unveiled a troubling trend. Certain ice regions seem to be melting from the bottom up. These observations, occurring nearly 470 miles inland from the coastline, point to the contribution of radioactive rocks and hot water discharge from the Earth's crust to this added thawing. An international team of scientists warns that this phenomenon could lead to an increased ice loss in the future. Despite its unsettling implications, one can't help but appreciate the significance of this discovery. The discovery of a vast subglacial hot water reservoir beneath Antarctica's icy expanse is undeniably remarkable. Green icebergs, a rare and long disputed phenomenon, do indeed exist, and encountering one is a truly remarkable experience. What sets them apart is not a subtle hint of green, but a vibrant and unmistakable shade. The origins of their unique color have sparked debates for some time. The prevailing theory suggests a relatively straightforward explanation: marine ice. This term refers to seawater frozen beneath an ice shelf, as opposed to sea ice that forms on the sea's surface. The concept may sound complex, but it simplifies the description. Initially, the green hue was attributed to a high concentration of organic matter, particularly phytoplankton, trapped within the ice. However, a team of scientists has recently supported what many believed all along. Green icebergs result from frozen seawater, specifically seawater freezing beneath an ice shelf. This clarifies the process behind the formation of these jade-colored icebergs, which now appear considerably more straightforward in hindsight. Please share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Thanks for tuning in.